Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is about Payoneer. So if you're using the Payoneer as a freelancer, or if you want to reach out to your clients through Payoneer, so how you can send payment requests. So how are you going to do it in Payoneer? How will you be able to reach to your clients and make a payment request, and then they will send you the money through that payment request. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your dashboard of your Payoneer account. This is the dashboard of my Payoneer account. Many things might be blurred out due to privacy issues, but yeah, once you are here, now what you need to do is you need to basically navigate on the left side of the Payoneer, and you would see an option called Get Paid. Now what you need to do is you need to click on Get Paid, and there is called Request a Payment. Now as you can see, so what you're going to do is request a payment. Now what's going to happen is it's basically going to land you right here. It's going to show you any previous request that you have sent to any of the clients. Their email will pop up here, because basically you are going to send it through the email or the name of the company. So I'm just going to enter one of the email of my clients and click on the email. So it's going to fill in that detail here. I'm going to blur it out due to privacy issues again. Here you're going to enter basically the amount. So let's suppose it's going to be 250, and in the currency I'm going to go and make it USD, right? And then there's a description. Let's say videos that I have edited for you, your YouTube channel, right? Okay, and after that it's going to be asking you, okay, so once you've entered that description, now what's going to happen is basically what you're going to do is you're going to go here and add a due date. So it's going to be like 8th of December, right? And press OK. Now once that's done, now what we're going to do is click on next. Now here it says create attach any document. Now this is very professional thing, is a professional approach. So whenever you are doing something, you are gonna basically going to include an invoice where you're gonna tell basically what you're charging and why you're charging. For that, what you need to do is click here on create a professional invoice. It's gonna take you to this website, and what you're gonna do is click on create invoice. Now it's free. You don't need to sign in, or don't need to basically pay anything. If you sign in, few things are gonna get easy. Basically all the name and everything that you said once, the sender and stuff, it's gonna fill them up automatically. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna click on invoice, right? It's gonna be an invoice. Send a name, simply enter your name here, or if you are a company you can enter that, simply enter your country, and after that let's say mine is going to be same as mine, or basically. So I'm just go and say enter name. I'm gonna keep it like this. The first name you're gonna enter here, and name, and then your email address if you have email @email.com. This is just for the tutorial purpose. Okay, so once you enter your email here, address and thing, you always fill up the things that are required. So I guess this is enough for this. And then after, what I'm going to do is click OK, done. And after that, to the person you're sending it to the client you're sending it to, name of the company. It can be anything, like simply the name, and then the name of the client, the first and the second name, and then the country you're there, and then if any detail there is required, you can enter that. And after that you can go here, add invoice. Let's say amount of videos. Okay, so it's going to be like quantity, we're going to be like 5, right? It's going to be like 5 videos I made. What's the rate? $50. I'm going to enter that. There's no text here. Text here is amount of videos, and then we're going to do 50. Amount of video quantity is going to be 5, the rate is going to be 50, and basically it's the subtotal, right? You can add a description like this was a video for the cash cow channel of yours, and blah blah, whatever you want to write here. And after that, once that's done, you're going to click on save, or click on save, and after that, download without an account. It's going to basically download this invoice onto your PC. Now what you're going to do is you simply, once it's downloaded, now what you're going to do is, as you can see, you can go here, press Ctrl J, just drag it and just drop it right here, and it's going to just If you're using Chrome, the Control J will help you there. It's going to basically upload it here, and after that, once that's done, you can click on preview. It's going to show that this is basically your this is how it's going to look, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can make the invoice, and once that's done, you're satisfied with that, you can click on request payment. So that's pretty much it, how you request a payment from your client using Payoneer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, and if there is something, if you're facing any problem, if you're not able to get through any of these steps, feel free to mention it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.